it's Lachlan from Voxed here, and I'm so excited because Dan Pasquali has come back again, and today we're making
some raspberry blondies.
Wow, and initially I was like, oh, what is a blondie? And it turns out it's a white chocolate brownie. How amazing is that? And I think it's actually quite a good recipe for kids at home to be baking with their families.
Because it's actually very easy to make. You just need to mix first all the wet ingredients together, and then you just pour them into the dry one. Done. Magic.
Easy, no equipment required. If you do need any of the recipes, all the ingredients, they're actually in the description below, so check that out. Let's get started.
Let's get started. So first step, we just combine some unsalted butter.
It's always a good idea to keep this at room temperature, right?
Always, because you don't want to work with hard butter from the fridge. No, it's not a good option.
That's a no from Dan.
No. And then you just need to mix butter and caster sugar. And now let's just whisk it for like a couple of minutes so it gets nice and creamy.
A perfect opportunity. Instead of going to the gym, use those muscles, give it a good whisk.
It's just a free workout. Especially if you don't have a machine, that's perfect. You can use your arms as a machine. And now, next step is just to combine 2 eggs. Let's do it. 1 and 2. Let's whisk again. Now, the last wet ingredient is some vanilla paste. So let's add some vanilla paste in it. Let's whisk it a little bit. And now let's move to the dry one. So for the dry one, we just have some flour, some salt, some bicarb, and now we can just mix together with our hands. And we have some brown sugar. Brown sugar is very good for that because it makes the blondies like nice and crunchy on the top but chewy in the inside. It's actually very good. And I always love to use my hand when I bake, so see, because I love to get messy all the time.
Nice and dirty.
Dirty. Let's mix all together. And now when everything is combined, you just combine the wet ingredient with a dry one. Let's do it. We can just use your spatula now.
The nice box spatula, you can find them on box.com.
And let's just fold everything together.
I really love how quick and easy this recipe is.
So easy, especially if your kids are on school holiday. It's a perfect treat.
Absolutely, or even a quick recipe if you're a small business, you want to create a quick gift pack. It's a great idea, super easy, within 45 minutes, start to finish, and you're finished.
Done. And now we can just add some raspberry powder, some chocolate, and some fresh raspberries.
Delicious. I love raspberries. I think they're my favorite fruit. And at the moment, we've got a fresh packet here, just from your local supermarket. So shall we add some in now?
Yeah, let's add them some.
Okay.
Good. Let's fold that. And we can add some freeze dry raspberry as well. It's the best part of the blondies, white chocolate.
White chocolate.
1, and then just because I know you love milk chocolate, let's add some milk chocolate as well.
And I guess if you don't have the chocolate buttons, you could always use the chocolate chips.
Yeah, you can use everything you want.
Perfect.
Let's fold them together.
So I remember as a kid even, we used to chop up some of the chocolate buttons to be a little bit more fine if you want as well.
Oh, look at this. You can see the nice pink color.
Wow, it looks incredible.
Nice and pink. So the oven is preheated to 170 degrees Celsius and we are pretty ready to go.
I'll hold this for you.
Yes, please.
All right.
Now let's do this delicious step. Oh, I can smell the raspberry. Actually, raspberry is one of my favorite fruits. I might have to try to see if it is delicious.
Okay, we definitely can't sell this one then.
Yes, it's good. And now we just have to put them into the oven for like 20-30 minutes.
Perfect.
See you later. And now it looks like our blondies are ready.
Perfect. I'm so excited to decorate it. I mean, there's so many different things you could probably decorate it with.
You can decorate them with some melted chocolate and raspberry. You can decorate them with some sprinkles. You can decorate them with whatever you want.
Sounds like the opportunities are absolutely endless. Let's do it.
Should we do it? Let's do it. We have some melted milk chocolate here and just drizzle a tiny bit of this on top of it. It's like always be messy in the kitchen, why not?
I guess the style you're going for is just to be quite unique.
Exactly, and colorful, unique, tasty, and messy. And if you want, you can drizzle some white chocolate as well, if you want. Otherwise, this way it's fine. Because now we're going to cut them. Should we cut them?
Sure.
Let's do it. That's so nice and soft.
So what size are you thinking today?
With size, I would say like a square size.
Okay. I can't wait to see what it looks like with the raspberries on it.
Oh, they will look delicious.
Great.
And let's top them with some fresh raspberry.
Looks delicious.
Yummy. So now I'm going to cut this big slab into small squares and I'm going to decorate it with some fresh raspberry.
So we have a range of packaging options, and today I brought the medium cookie box, which actually just slides open just like this. And while it's called a cookie box, it can be used for so many different things. And today we're going to be putting our brownies into this box. The best thing is the outside is gloss laminated. So if it does get anything like chocolate on it, you can simply wipe it with a damp cloth. So Dan, do you mind helping me out? And
Of course.
let's put them in.
Let's put them in.
Perfect. And just like that, we're finished. Perfect gift box or gift pack for your customers, your friends or your family. Thank you so much, Dan, for coming.
It's always a pleasure.
I guess we do have to taste what we baked today, so let's give it a try. Maybe half each.
Okay, let's have each.
All right.
One full one.
And we always get to try our beautiful raspberry. Absolutely delicious. I love the white chocolate. If you've loved this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. We love making this content for you. And if you do have any comments, leave them in the description below. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.
Bye-bye.